This particular patch file relates to the Helios time zone patch for the new global time zone. So we'll be using Internet Explorer, and first thing we want to do is enter the IP address of your camera. I'll punch mine up here, and this will present to you the Helios homepage. From here you want to click Setup, the Upgrade button, and this presents the camera firmware and web interface upgrade page. So the first thing we want to do is load the Helios time zone patch. We're going to do that as we were loading regular firmware. So we want to do that in the firmware upgrade section here. You want to browse to the folder in your local drive where you stored the firmware. We're going to select the Helios time zone patch version 1.0. So double click that, and once you have it loaded on this file name box, you simply click the Start Upgrade button here. Once you start the upgrade, you get a page similar to this showing you the progress of the upgrade. In this case, the Helios patch file will take less than a minute, and then you'll see the firmware upgrade successful message down here. And once you see that, give it another minute because the camera did reboot. So you want to give it a good minute before you try to reconnect. Once you reconnect to the camera, it's going to again present you to the Helios homepage of the camera. And we'll just click Setup again and Upgrade. And this time we're going to load the actual camera firmware, version 3.00.94. So again, in the firmware upgrade section, we want to hit Browse. You're going to browse your local drive and load the actual 3930 firmware, version 3.00.94. So just double click that. And again, I'm going to click the Start Upgrade. Once you do that, you'll be presented with this screen again showing you the progress of the upgrade. And for the actual firmware, it'll probably take about 2 minutes. Upon successful, you get this message again right here. Upgrade successful. And again, after that, you want to wait another minute or a minute and a half for the reboot to complete. Once you've done that and reconnected, again, you're going to get presented to the camera's homepage. I'm going to hit the back key here and get to the homepage of the camera. So the last step is the web server. That's basically the same steps: setup, upgrade, and this time we're going to go to the web interface upgrade section here towards the middle, and again browse for the web server firmware file, which is going to be web server 60109. Double click that. Again, click the Start Web Upgrade button. And this time around, you get the same progress screen, but a little bit different. I'm going to scroll down here and show you the web interface progress page, and here it is. Upon successful, you get this message again. And once that's loaded successfully, it'll take you back to, or connect back to the Helios homepage. And in this case, I would close the browser and reopen a new session. Enter the IP address of the camera up here, and you want to go back to the upgrade page again to verify the version numbers. So I'm going to click Setup, Upgrade. On the right side of the screen, you see your camera firmware version, web interface version, and just make sure that they read 3.00.94 for the firmware, 6.0.109 for the web interface. Thank you, and have a great day.